Recording the sewer line here, the shared sewer line 640 and 6738, 23rd Avenue Northwest. This is a video I'm making post liner install over here. We did a large sewer project here, so I'm making this liner or this video here after as a final video. What we're looking at here is the Seattle City main. Both houses are using water right now, so I'm getting a little bit of water coming back. But there's the large city main pipe, and as we come back, there's the start of our liner. Within a foot of the main or so there. And this is 6-inch liner coming back. New flow liner. We've eliminated the seams where the roots come in. Liner looks really smooth. And here we're coming into the repair over on the side of 6740's home. This is a 6-inch by 4-inch plastic repair where the two houses tie together. So you'll see a little bit of pooling water. That's because it's going from 4-inch right here, dropping down into 6-inch there. There's a clean out access over there from the 6740 house. Now we're in 4-inch pipe, so we did a liner of the 4-inch from the 6738 home. And they are flushing the toilet quite a bit, so we're going to let the water flow by. So I can take a look at this next hole, because we dug this next hole. Liner. Dug the next hole so that we were able to eliminate these seams that were allowing major roots in. So the liner, as you can see, there's the Y for the downstairs toilet on the left side of the screen, and there is the start of the liner. There's no seam there, so the liner went right into the plastic pipe as we had planned. On the left side again, that's the downstairs toilet hole, and then at the top of the pipe also no seam. So we have eliminated the seams that were allowing roots to come in at that section of the pipe. We've got a liner coming all the way back up towards the clean out now. Oh, there is your section of this clean out's been replaced with plastic. We've lipped the liner directly into the plastic just as planned. See a little toilet paper flowing by there. And we're coming out of the clean out there. There's our clean out we were working from this morning. So, very good job done by the liner guys. I'm going to end the video there.